What's up, everybody? So, the last week was amazing. Amazingly exploded higher, especially in NASDAQ. It's just like elevator up, and it's like one of a meme coin, just like we saw in the gold market. It just ripped higher and just not turn around and just headed up. Now, while those equities showing enthusiastic movement, cryptos are some sort of stagnant state, and those consolidation phase. Bitcoin, look at the Bitcoin chart, and it broke the downsloping trend line. That means it's inevitable when it's the trend reverse, and that doesn't guarantee this single streak will take previous high. It could go sideways, it could go up and down, very bumpy road. We don't know for sure, but it's inevitable to break the downsloping trend line when it turns around and reverse the trend to the upside. And the Bitcoin did break the downsloping trend line. So it checked the first condition, which is to break the trend line. Now, it also broke the market structure, which is around 80,000. And next market structure is set at 86,000. That is the next checkpoint. And when it reaches, watch for the market movement. Watch for the price action. It can move, break above aggressively, or turn around, flipping very quickly. So we gotta watch 86K level for the Bitcoin and the other crypto assets, and also energized with the Bitcoin movement, because Bitcoin is the leader of cryptocurrencies market. Bitcoin is the king. Ethereum is the queen. The queen is also hanging on. Ethereum is hanging on around 2300 level for like a month or two, but it's definitely showing a resilience because it's queen. And the prince is XRP, Ripple. XRP looks like trying to make another move to the upside. So broadly, it's very possible looking right now. However, watch for 9 o'clock today in Japan time, 9 a.m. That is when the weekly candle closed, weekly candle fixed. So you gotta only consider the closed fixed candle. Don't make any decision while candle isn't fixed. That would lead to bad decision. So this week is the final week for Jerome Powell, the current Fed chair, And the next week would be the first week for the new Fed chair, Mr. Warsh. And historically, the first week have massive volatility. And if it follows with prior crash in the market, it tends to go higher at the end of the week. But we don't know for sure. This market will write it down as a history. So that is my message today. Thank you for listening, and good luck for you. I love you guys. See you in the next episode. Peace.